is like a garden. I've been pulling weeds for years, some more stubborn, interwoven, but I'm finally seeing some things a little more clear. Sometimes I feel like a failure, 'cause I planted all these seeds, but like a wash pot never boils. I wait but don't see any green. But then suddenly seasons change, the world keeps turning. Isn't that the joy of living?